Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick video real quick and call it a night. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my Raspberry Pi to control that linear actuator to go up and down with my wireless joystick. All right, so here we go. And to give you a brief tutorial of what's all involved in here, so I have my Raspberry Pi um, with a display I'm using as a desktop screen. All right, and I have a motor driver that takes 5 volts and sorry, I had that wrong. It takes 12 volts and is powered by the Raspberry Pi to switch polarity on the motor, which is this guy. To power that motor driver, I'm using a boost buck converter, which takes and in my previous video I've discussed this, where I have 6 volts being stepped up to 12 volts to give me the 12 volt for the driver, which drives the 12 volt which powers the 12 volt linear actuator uh, by Python. So I wrote a quick code, so I'm going to use my joystick to power to retract and extend my linear actuator. So you ready? All right, so I'm using wireless joystick. Let me make some room here. And I put in like a 3-second delay because it takes like a second and a half to extend and retract, but I gave it a little bit of buffer. So, all right, so here you go, wireless joystick, right? How cool is that? So I'm gonna go. That's it, guys. Please click like and subscribe, or even leave a comment on my YouTube page, TimmyLee28. All right, guys, so I'm gonna call it a night. All right, take it easy. Bye.